And finally here we are, because this is my favorite section, जहां पे in this Ask TG segment मैं आपके सवालों के जवाब देता हूं, and it's so fun to answer all your tech related gadget queries. तो आज देखते हैं इस वीक हमारे पास में कौन से नए सवाल हैं.
I have a lot of phones I've collected for the last 15 years, although I tried switching them on and few I did not. What do you think? What can I do with these phones?
See, the battery is kind of that component जो time के साथ साथ deplete हो जाता है. तो maybe because your phones are too old or maybe the battery is not in the right health, आपका phone on नहीं हो पा रहा है. Now, if the phone is not turning on, well, if you can get a replacement battery, plug in a new battery and use it as a collector's device. Otherwise, जो battery अभी आपके phone में लगी है, because it's outdated, it's better to dispose it of, I mean, you know, in a responsible way, ताकि उसको recycle कर सके and कोई एक hazardous जो है वो element आपके लिए ना बन जाए. So you can do that. Otherwise, let me give you a tip कि अगर आपको आपके phones को store करना है, if you want to collect these phones and you want to keep them for long, charge your battery to approximately around 50% and then switch it off so that the battery is able to hold that charge, and periodically 6-8 महीने में आप फोन्स को चार्ज कर सकते हो इन बिटवीन, थोड़ा ताकि आपकी बैटरी हेल्थ सही रहे और आपका फोन जो है वो एक अच्छे कलेक्शन के फॉर्म में आपके साथ में रहे.
Hi Technical Guruji, is there a way I can access files on my hard drive at my home from a remote location?
Yes, it's very easy. आपको क्रिएट करना है एक नेटवर्क अटैच्ड स्टोरेज. इन शॉर्ट वी कॉल इट NAS. And it's very easy. I mean, there are multiple ways about it. आप अपने PC को remotely access कर सकते हो on your phone and you can attach that hard drive to your PC. That's one option, very simple. Second option, you can attach your hard drive to your router. And then if you enable the network attached storage option, तो आप उस hard drive के data को remotely access कर सकते हो from any device of your choice. Third is you have a proper setup going on with multiple drives, again connected to your home router, so that you can access all those drives remotely from wherever you are. It's very simple, very convenient, and sometimes lifesaver. So yes, you can do all this possible, set of scenarios basis of your requirements. See, switching is a personal preference. So if you want to, you can. Otherwise, Android all the way. Now, speaking of upgrading from Google Pixel 7 Pro to the 8 Pro, it all depends on your personal experience with the phone. If you are happy with your current phone, what I would recommend is it's ideal to upgrade phones once every 2 to 3 years. So अगर आप just अभी Pixel 7 Pro से 8 Pro में आने वाले हैं, I'm not sure कि आपको कितना ज़्यादा upgrade feel होगा, because you might feel some of the features coming as new, but mostly you will get a similar set of experience because just 1 साल पुराना फ़ोन है. So ideal is कि अगर आप अगले साल का वेट करते हैं with the Pixel 9 Pro, your experience would be even better. But अगर आपको लगता है कि no, you are someone जिसको एकदम latest device चाहिए, you want to use the cutting edge device, then yes, why not? Go ahead, upgrade, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the Google's Pixel 8 Pro. I would recommend to please check with the Civil Aviation Authority and get to know about the regulations around these drones, because officially DJI will not sell these drones in India. So India में आपको जो DJI के drones मिल रहे हैं, they are not officially being sold by DJI because of the regulations. And second thing, if you buy it in the US and import it, make sure you again go to the customs website and वहाँ पे you can check for what's the permissible limit. क्या वैल्यू तक के आइटम को you can bring in custom free. If the item is exceeding that value, then what's the percentage of the customs duty that you have to pay. If you calculate all that, it's easy for you to make a decision कि आपको ये ड्रोन US से खरीद के इंडिया में लेके आना है, या फिर आपको इंडिया में जो मार्केट में मिल रहे हैं, अगेन नॉट ऑफिशियली बाय DJI, but then drones are available, तो आप यहां से ले सकते हो basis of what's better suitable for you.